Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to use LinkedIn to drive sales. Using LinkedIn to drive sales can be an effective strategy when done strategically and authentically. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use LinkedIn to boost your sales efforts. Number 1. Target your ideal prospects through searchable attributes and behaviors. One of LinkedIn's superpowers is the ability to identify and connect with your target buyers at scale. Here are several organic techniques for finding prospects. LinkedIn's advanced search. LinkedIn's powerful free search engine allows you to find people based on multiple criteria and keywords. This feature is handy for identifying individuals who fit your ideal customer persona and would be a good fit for your product or service. When using LinkedIn's advanced search, you can filter results by job title. Search for people with specific job titles that match your target audience, such as VP of Marketing, HR Director, or CEO. The company they work for. If you have a list of companies you want to target, you can search for decision makers within those organizations. Location. Narrow your search results by specifying a particular geographic area, such as a city, state, or country. Past companies. Look for people who have worked at companies that align with your ideal customer profile. Schools attended. If you're targeting alumni for specific universities or educational backgrounds, you can search for people based on the schools they attended. By utilizing these search filters, you can create highly targeted lists of prospects more likely to be interested in your offerings. Once you've identified these individuals, you can connect with them and build relationships. LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn groups are online communities where professionals discuss business topics, share insights, and ask questions. These groups can be gold mines for finding potential customers engaged in conversations related to your industry or niche. Lookalike profiles. Another effective way to find ideal prospects on LinkedIn is to identify individuals who closely resemble your best customers or are influential in your industry. These lookalike profiles can lead you to more people who share similar characteristics and are likely to be interested in your products or services. Take note of the following. Who is liking, commenting on, and sharing their posts? What groups do they belong to? What events do they attend? By exploring the networks of your ideal customers and industry influencers, you can uncover new ways to connect with similar individuals who could benefit from your products or services. Number 2, pull your ideal prospects into your network. The next step is to send a personalized connection request that shows relevance and establishes common ground. When reaching out to someone on LinkedIn, the approach depends on whether they're a first, second, or third-degree connection. For second and third-degree connections, you need to send a connection request with a personalized message first. Suppose you're trying to reach marketing entrepreneurs on LinkedIn. You look to see who likes and comments on Gary Vaynerchuk's LinkedIn post because his target audience is similar to yours. You could reach out to those people by saying, "Hi, I noticed you engage with Gary V's content. If you like his podcast and post, I think you'll enjoy mine too. I'd love to provide value to you through my content." Next is to direct messaging your LinkedIn connections. DMing someone is the highest viral action on LinkedIn. If you DM someone, they are 85% more likely to see your post. In a DM, introduce yourself briefly and explain how you help people like them. Then, offer a genuinely useful resource, like an ebook, white paper, calculator, quiz, or a cheat sheet that helps solve a problem they face. This should be a high-quality lead generation magnet that showcases your expertise. Next is leading your connections. Once you've delivered value, consider inviting prospects to a mid-funnel activity that involves a two-way interaction, like a webinar, a workshop, or free consultation call. This step is where you can showcase your expertise and continues to provide more value while making a soft pitch to your paid offer. Creating a direct sales pitch is easier since you've nurtured the relationship and are interacting away from LinkedIn. Your goal is to turn connections into customers by guiding them through your marketing funnel, focusing on providing upfront value. Next is tracking your LinkedIn connections. If you want to grow your LinkedIn profile and manage outreach, you can use LinkedIn's built-in features to keep track of your messages and connections. One helpful feature is tagging messages. You can store important messages to find them later easily. Another trick is to use hashtags within your messages. Then, you can search for that hashtag later to find all the relevant messages. Keeping a spreadsheet is another way to stay organized. You can use it to track different campaigns, connections, and outreach efforts. The key is to create a daily routine for your LinkedIn activity. This might include sending new connection requests each day, checking and responding to new connections, sending messages to new connections, and following up with existing connections. By having a consistent flow of activity, you can steadily grow your network and build relationships. It's less about perfect tracking and more about regular, targeted effort. By following these steps, you can leverage LinkedIn effectively to drive sales and grow your business network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you the CourseFunnels, online courses platform with integrated marketing. Host anywhere, supports 17 languages, 6 profit-boosting plugins included, made to sell and get you profits. Just don't make courses, sell them and turn them into profits. Build your course sales pages and entire funnels all within CourseFunnels. Grab opt-in leads and deliver your courses instantly. Get paid using any payment system you want. Includes profit and conversion boosting plugins that save hundreds a month. Integrates every popular payment system, CRM and autoresponder. Rich interaction with inbuilt comments, review, and questions inbuilt. Integrations for live chat, Facebook Messenger, bots, support desk, conversion proof, etc. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get CourseFunnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in.
I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.